Hi, it's Julie Stobie from Mind Over Clutter. I'm a professional organizer and a coach, helping you to figure out what you're going to keep and what you're going to give away. So I'm sure you've read lots of books, seen lots of shows, and thought, oh, this organizing thing, it's so overwhelming. Well, here are some steps for you. First, book a time with yourself. Decide when you're going to work on that space that you want to get organized. Then next, make a plan for that space. Is it going to be an office? Is it a bedroom? Is it a family room? Is it a storage room? Then go around the room and decide what you're going to keep and start making groups so that everything in a group has the same function. Books, electronics, food, whatever your groups are in that room. And if you don't need it in that room, take it out. And if you don't need it, donate it. And if it's garbage, you know where it goes. And if it's recycling, you know how to do that too. Then look at each of those groups, decide if you need everything. Do you need all those books? Do you need all those old iPhones? And start getting your groups smaller and smaller. Find a place where you're going to store them. And if you need something to hold them, like a bin, then go out and get the bin. Notice how late it is in these steps. Then enjoy your new room that's well organized and feel free to make changes. Every system needs to be able to change and grow as you do. Quick steps to help you organize any space. If you need help with it, give me a call. We can have a 30-minute chat and I can help you through those steps. Julie Stobie, Mind Over Clutter.